Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we're going to be talking about projects and products that you can create with your Cricut to make money and sell on Etsy. Now, Christmas is right around the corner, and I know a lot of you guys have either just gotten a Cricut for Christmas, or maybe you want to get one for Christmas, or honestly, a lot of us probably bought one a while ago and it's just been sitting around our house and we haven't used it. Are we guilty of that? Because I know I have been before too. Cricuts are a fantastic tool and they are super fun to work with, but they can also actually be a really great resource to start and grow a small business, which is why I love it so much. And no, this video is not sponsored by Cricut by any means. This is just a video that I think a lot of people will find helpful because a lot of people nowadays have Cricut machines and they're very easily available. We literally have ours. It's somewhere back here behind me, I think. I don't think you can see it in the frame though. We literally have ours. We use it for our small business. And honestly, between my mom and I think we actually have 3 Cricuts now. So we're big fans over here. We're big fans. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into those ideas. Oh, and I did want to mention that if you guys don't have a Cricut and you've been thinking about buying one, I will have a link for it down below. It is an affiliate link. I'll get a small commission from the sale. But honestly, I love our Cricut. We've been using it for a long time now, and a lot of people really like them because of their ease of use. So anyways, let's go ahead and now let's get into it. Number one thing I would recommend selling with a Cricut would be stickers. Yes, I know, stickers are so fun. And honestly, they come in a wide variety, so you don't even have to just stick to one particular type. Now, there is a whole genre and niche of people who just buy stickers for their planners, but there are also people who buy just stickers for like water bottles and things when they want them to be waterproof, or for their laptops. And then you also have things like stickers for, I don't know, people's packaging or small businesses and stuff like that as well. So stickers are a super versatile niche to kind of get into. It could seem oversaturated to some, but honestly, I don't really think it is. I think there is just a lot of creativity and uniqueness when it comes to stickers on Etsy, and I think it's a really great product to sell. Now, I do have some really good sticker recommendations as far as sticker paper goes. So again, I will also have those linked down below for you guys, because that can be one of the hardest things I think to find for good stickers. So if you're looking for some good sticker paper recommendations, I will also have that link down below along with the Cricut. So stickers are going to be a really great and fun thing to sell. It'll really allow you to be creative. You can either buy artwork and designs to then turn into stickers, or you can create the designs and artwork yourself and really be creative and grow that as well. The second product idea would be apparel. And I love this. This is exactly how we started our business here behind us. It all started a long time ago with vinyl making shirts. And guys, it has grown to something way bigger than that, but it is so fun to think about it now because it's such a fun place to start. If you're just getting started with apparel making, using vinyl and a Cricut is a fantastic way to start a t-shirt or sweatshirt business. You basically just get heat transfer vinyl, and it kind of cuts off the top layer of the vinyl, and then you can use that to apply with heat and pressure onto different t-shirts and sweatshirts. So this is really fun, and you can get very creative and unique with it. You can layer vinyls, or you can just use one color, or you can mix colors, doesn't matter, and they come out with so many different like sheens and finishes nowadays. So there's a lot of creativity to be had here with this one. Next would be mugs or cups of any kind, really. You've got the cute little beer glass cans with their little vinyl on the side. You've also got the fun like Starbucks looking cups where they've got the cute designs on the side. You could even do mugs. There are just like an endless number of different shapes and sizes of glassware and containers that people love to put their vinyl on. And it is so fun because you can even do like personalized items with this, which is really cool and great for Etsy. Next would be wedding decor, and this could actually like expand pretty crazy, but you could do a lot with this one. You could actually take your Cricut and use the little pin or marker insert and do basically like calligraphy for people's wedding invitations. So it's kind of like a custom order for those. You could also create things like little acrylic numbered plates for wedding tables, or like giant guest seating chart signs or welcome signs. You could also do any kind of like little decor things like little cake toppers or bump banners. All sorts of stuff like that for weddings and parties just in general are a really great idea. 5 would be wooden or acrylic signs. People love decorating their homes with really fun and fresh wall decor, and using like a permanent vinyl on like a really adorable wood sign would be another great idea. area. This could also be on acrylic or other surfaces too, so you can really get creative here in creating fun wall art for people to hang up in their house or their office space. Number 6 would be leather goods. Now I know this is a really interesting one, but did you know that some of the newer Cricut machines can actually cut things like leather and like small little plywood pieces? Kind of crazy. When I found that out, I was like, oh my God, could you imagine the number of business ideas you could sell with that? Crazy. So I would really recommend looking into kind of some of those more unique thick materials and creating products out of those. I've seen lots of great ideas, from leather earrings to leather keychains, leather book wraps, and so many more ideas. Number 7 would be hats and accessories. Similar to t-shirts and sweatshirts, you can use that heat transfer vinyl to create accessories and hats such as tote bags, regular hats, fanny packs, pencil pouches, makeup cases, like you name it. If it's like a piece of accessory item, you can probably put heat vinyl on it, which is really awesome. Being able to create, again, custom items with people's names or really cute designs or fun fonts or quotes or literally even just cute little drawings, like all of that can be put on these items and you can really get creative here. Number 8 would be bumper stickers, or honestly just vinyl transfers in general. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I've just wanted a vinyl transfer to put on my own cup or something that I have. And you can actually sell those on Etsy too. You basically just sell it to them on a transfer sheet, you put it in a little envelope and send it on its way. Same for bumper stickers. So many people love having funny bumper stickers added to their cars or their car windows. And again, another really great and easy thing to sell on Etsy that is pretty inexpensive and relatively easy to do. Number 9 would be paper products. So this could look like cards. It could look like little paper flowers. There are so many different little paper projects out there, like little gift favors or boxes that people could put together. Things that people would use for parties or gatherings are always really, really great. Name cards, all that kind of stuff are things that you could use with your Cricut to cut out, trace, design, draw on, and so much more. And number 10 is ornaments, which is so fitting for this time of year. If you're watching this when I just uploaded the video, ornaments are always really popular around the holiday times for obvious reasons. And ornaments are actually relatively simple to make with a Cricut. You can use permanent vinyl on them to help create fun and different designs, which are really cool. Question of the day for you guys. Which one of these are you going to try and make with your Cricut next? Or if you don't have one, which one are you most looking forward to trying? Let me know down below in the comment section. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. Right here on the screen for you guys, I'm gonna link another video I think you'll find helpful, as well as an entire playlist full of fun Etsy tips. So if you are looking to start your Etsy shop with one of these design ideas, you're definitely gonna go and check these out. Down here, you're also going to find my subscribe button so you guys can stick around for more videos. And lastly, I'll link a link to the Cricuts down here if you want to go and check one out. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.